Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix the Spotify "this account is being used elsewhere" error. So let's get started. First, open the Spotify app or go to the Spotify website. Over here, click on Log In. After that, enter your email address and click Continue. Then, click on Log In without your password. Over here, if you receive a password reset email, open it immediately. Follow the link and create a strong new password. After that, check your email inbox for any messages from Spotify about suspicious logins, password changes, or email changes. Then, if your email address was changed by someone else, use the recovery link provided in the Spotify security email to restore your account. Over here, go to your Spotify account settings and log out of all devices to remove unauthorized access. After that, if you see the email is taken error while creating a new account, sign in instead of creating a new account, or use the password reset option to recover your existing account. Then, try logging in with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, as your account may already be linked to one of those sign-in methods. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.